Students, today we are going to start our topic echo. हाँ जी बेटा, what is echo? The sound heard after reflection from a distant obstacle. You have seen in the movies in the open areas, hero is saying something and two types of sounds are coming. One is original sound and second one is the sound heard after reflection. Now suppose that this is the reflector. This is reflector and here one person is standing. He said something. What will happen? Sound will go from here and on striking with this reflector, it has to come back. But this one was when he spoke, then that was original sound. And this second sound, that is called reflected sound. It is called as echo. And for hearing echo, generally also when we are speaking something, beta, always on our ears, the effect for listening that sound, for hearing that sound, it remains for 0.1 second. कोई भी आप आवाज़ सुनते हो हमारे कानों पे, उसका असर कितने देर तक रहेगा? फॉर 0.1 सेकेंड. And after 0.1 second, that sound will be over. That sound will be finished. It will dies out. And after this 0.1 second, this reflected sound must reach. Then we will say that is echo. Otherwise, if before 0.1 second that sound is reaching, that will not be echo. Then beta, we have to find that at what distance the person must stand in front of that reflector. Otherwise, we all are bathroom singers. You see, when we are singing something, there are also some that 2 or 3 sounds are coming, but you can't say that is echo. Their distance is not sufficient. Now we have to find the value of how, at what distance the person must stand, minimum distance. We know the value, beta, formula you are knowing, V, that is distance divided by time. And we have to find now value of D. It will be V multiplied by T. Here beta D, this is D, and when the sound came back, again this is D. It means D plus D, it will be 2D. 2D will be equal to V multiplied by T. Now D is equal to V into T over 2. Now velocity of sound, beta, it vary. We can take its value from 320 to 340 meter per second. 320 you can take, 330 you can take, 340 you can take. And for here, for convenience, we will use here 340 meter per second. That is velocity of sound in air. Multiply by T, that is fixed, 0.1 second divided by 2. Now what will be its value? 170 multiplied by 0.1, beta, it will be 17 meters. Means the minimum distance between the person or between the source of sound and the reflector must be 17 meter. If you will take 320, it will be 16 meter. If you will take 330, that will be 16.5 meter. So for that beta, for hearing the echo, conditions are there. Which are these conditions? First of all beta, the size of the reflector must be large. The size of reflector must be large. Second one, the distance means minimum distance. The minimum distance between the source of sound means speaker, and the reflector must be 17 meter. Third one beta, your intensity, when you are saying something, intensity of sound must be sufficient. The intensity of sound wave must be sufficient to produce an echo.